Hey everyone, so this video is going to be about how I actually created my ads for June 2023. So this is not going to be a tutorial because I am a beginner when it comes to ads. So basically this will be documenting my journey, and honestly, who knows, my ads may be successful. So this may actually be helpful to you as well, but I just want to be transparent. So when it says choose your campaign type, I did sponsored products, and then you hit continue and it'll bring you to this page instead. I just opened it separately so that way I could hide my books there because, as you all know, usually there's copycats, things like that. So, unfortunately, I'm not going to be showing my actual books, but for ad format, I chose to do a standard ad. And the reason I did like all the settings I did is because I've watched multiple YouTube videos about ads, and this kind of just seems to be the best thing for me to do. But that's just my own opinion. So I recommend doing your own research. So for ad format, I did standard ad. Just gonna advertise my products without any custom text, and all of my, like, I have two ads running right now. One of them only has one book in it, so I probably could have done a custom, but the other one is a lottery ad type of deal, so it just has a bunch of different books, so I feel like I wouldn't be able to do custom as well. So for ad group settings, I just named it like whatever books I had in there. And then for products, I just went through all of my products and added them. So for the sketchbook campaign, I added my one sketchbook I wanted to be in it. And then for my scrapbook paper, and go back a little bit, I believe I have other sketchbooks, but there's just one I wanted to advertise right now. And then for my scrapbook paper, craft paper pad campaign, I added every single one that was live at the time of me creating the actual campaign. So I added all of those here. And then for targeting, I did automated targeting because I really don't have any research to do manual targeting right now. And for the bid, I did 10 cents. So change this to 10 cents. And I'm just starting there. And the reason I chose 10 cents is because when I did run ads for a brief time around December, January, I started lower, but it seemed I needed to be higher towards like 14, 17 cents, kind of around there to start getting clicks. So I figured like I'll start at 10 and just see how it goes because I don't have a big budget for June. So I'm going to give it a few days, and if I don't really get many impressions or clicks, then I may up it a little bit, but I really want to make sure I'm not overspending. So I did that. I didn't do anything for negative keyword targeting or negative product targeting. For campaign bidding strategy, I did down bids only, and I just feel more comfortable with that. I didn't want to do fixed because if I could spend less money for the same thing, then why wouldn't I? And I didn't do up and down because I don't really want to go much higher. So for settings, for campaign name, again, I just named whatever it was, whatever books there were. And then for start and end, I did June 1st and June 30th, I believe. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be running them the entire month. So yeah, I did June 30th, but I have about $20 to spend. So I'll kind of just see what goes on there. If the ads are doing really well, then I may extend it. If they're doing really bad, then I'm probably not going to extend it. Like, it's all going to vary. And then for daily budget, I just $1. And the reason I did $1 is because, again, I don't have a lot of money to spend. So with two ads running, if they maxed out $1 a day, that'd be $60 for the month. And I'm only trying to spend 20 right now. So that wouldn't last me the whole month anyways. But normally I don't max out because I have a pretty low bid, but we'll kind of see how it goes. And then I just hit launch campaign. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how I actually like created my campaigns and what they're like. And I'll probably be modifying them like as the month goes on, and I plan to keep you all updated. But I just wanted to be transparent and show you like what I actually did to create them. But just as a reminder, like, I'm not stating this as a tutorial just because I'm not sure how well it's going to be. I think that it could potentially work out, and I've done some research to kind of have an idea of what I'm doing. But I'm not really sure. We'll see how June goes. And I hope this was helpful. And I appreciate you following my journey. So thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.